Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Ford Expedition. Now the most notable features on this Expedition is its panoramic roof. You also have your front-facing camera along with your heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Ford Expedition. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Expedition is its daytime running lights, and then if you take a closer look just at the Ford emblem, you'll see your front-facing camera, and then you also have your parking sensors, and over on the side, you have the 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, if you take a look up top, you do have the integrated signal lamps as well as your down-facing camera on both sets of mirrors. If you take a look just on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know there is another vehicle right beside you. The other nice thing is that you do have the power folding running boards. So when you open up either the front or rear doors, the running boards will fold out just to make things a little bit easier for you when you're actually getting into inside the vehicle. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you do have your black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, power tilt telescopic steering wheel. Along with that, you'll also find the light controls with your power liftgate release, power pedal adjustment, seat memory controls, power locks, mirror controls, power folding mirrors, and window controls with your window locks. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, cruise control, volume control, seek function, Bluetooth connectivity, and your voice recognition as well. Now, it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is push button on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, if you take a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you can go through the off-road, towing, vehicle info, trip, and fuel, and each menu will have a couple of different options in there for you, and you can adjust them accordingly if you want to, just by going through your settings menu. Now, if we take a closer look, it does offer you a digital compass located in that bottom right-hand corner. And if we take a closer look just at the center dash area, you do have your traction control on and off as well as your hazard lights, auto stop and start, and then you can also see the front view of your vehicle just using the camera system that you have up top there. So as you can see, you have that nice front end view of the vehicle, which makes things a little bit easier for you, and that aerial view using the side cameras and the rest of them as well. Now, if you push on the camera once more, it'll give you a full view, and then it will show you a kind of a 3-screen split view, and once more it'll go back to the previous screen you were on. Audio controls are located down below, and taking a look at some of the options you'll see on here, you have your audio, climate controls, phone connectivity, nav, and a couple of other additional features. Now you do have the trailer brake, or your trailer and trailer brake located down below here as well. Sorry about that, folks. Now, taking a look in the center, you'll find the temperature control settings, heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger with your heated steering wheel, USB, mounted to an automatic transmission. As you can see, you can adjust your 4x4 just located down below here, and you do have the parking sensors on and off as well. Now, if you take a closer look at the top here, you have the open and close for the panoramic roof with your light controls and sunglass case holder, and integrated garage door opening controls as well. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors located right across. And then located just on the back here underneath the Expedition emblem, you'll find your backup camera. And your rear hatch release will be located just down below. Just push on the button once and it will open up for you automatically. Now, as you can see just in the cargo space here, you have plenty of room, but if you need more additional space, you can fold down the 60-40 split third row for yourself. As you can see, just located over on the side here, you'll have the controls located there for you. So depending on what your needs are for, you can adjust them accordingly. And then as you can see, you do have the mat in the back here, and underneath the floor, you have some under the floor storage space for some smaller items. Now, when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, just on the left-hand side, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.